Welcome guys, today we will be unboxing the Logitech M720 Bluetooth compatible, otherwise USB connection, and it's both wireless. This mouse actually comes with a 24 months battery life, customizable button, and hyper fast scroll wheel so you can navigate through your web pages quickly. It also comes with 8 customizable buttons to fit your needs. So now we're gonna open the package. Okay, so inside this package is the mouse, and this right here is the manual how to activate the mouse and start using it. This mouse is also compatible with Windows 10 and later. It's not compatible with Chromebook. So this right here is the on and off switch, and the sensor. So we're now going to open the lever. Okay. So this right here is the battery, 24 months battery life. USB. Oh. Down. Mouse Pro. And this right here are the buttons you use to switch, as you can connect up to 3 computers at once. You use these 3 buttons to switch. So now we're gonna insert back the battery. And we're also going to connect the mouse to a computer. So now I'm going to insert the mouse USB up. USB. As you can see, mouse is ready to use. So now the mouse is ready to use. And you can also download the Logitech app, which will actually enable you to use the mouse at a more advanced level. So this is the mouse pad that I'm going to use. I'm going to also leave a link below where you can get it. So I'm fixing, strong, very durable. This mouse is also great. It actually weighs a pound. So it's pretty weight. I'm not sure of the weight. Very sensitive, quick respond. You guys can go to Amazon and check it out. I'll also do another video where I'm going to go definitely switching back and forth simultaneously with records. I also go definitely super fast scrolling so you can get a feedback. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the video.